Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. This time we are coming up with a video after a very long duration. Life happens. Nonetheless, we are back with lots of exciting experiences for all of you. A long due gratitude to all of our viewers out there. Thank you very much for being with us till now. Do tell us if you want us to go to any specific event or place in your comment section. In this video, we are going to cover a gem of a place in our very own Bengaluru. The place is full of life and has a lot to offer, and I believe most of us know about it but have not visited it yet. This place is called Church Street, and we will also cover Brigade Road. Fun fact, Brigade Road hosts one of the largest stores of something in the world. Post your answers in the comment section and we'll reveal it at some point in the time in the video. This is where you'll experience the essence of Bangalore, the city. You'll find beautiful, cozy and almost all famous cafes to try tea and coffee from. We tried coffee and cream cheese bagel from Third Wave Coffee, and after some time had tea from Chai Point as well. Do try their lemon ginger tea. Church Street is well connected to all of the areas in Bengaluru. So depending on your location, you can choose to come by metro, bus or even your private vehicle. But the problem with private vehicle is one, that there's a lot of construction going on, so you might be stuck a lot in the traffic, and also by the time you reach there, if you're planning to come here late evening, there is quite good amount of crowd, so getting a parking space would be a difficult thing. So just plan accordingly. Once you are already there in Church Street, as you can see, we have options like Yulu that you can take and roam around. You'll find budding young musicians performing alongside the footpath. They're really good. Just stop and enjoy some of the music played by these artists. So as we mentioned, if you visit Church Street, you'll find good food, live music, game arcades, beautiful and lively audience, and last but not the least, world famous Bangalore pubs and bars. After exploring a little bit of Church Street and spending quite some time doing window shopping, fiddling around the gadget stores, and after bowling, it was time to try some food. There's a cozy little place in Church Street called Pizza Bakery. We tried pizza, stuffed caramelized garlic bread, which is their signature dish, with blue cheese and hot chocolate. We do recommend it as the pizza base is made from sourdough and it brings a whole different taste factor. The staff is really nice and very polite, but one caveat is that place is super busy, so plan accordingly. If this is your first time with 90 seconds, do not forget to subscribe and like and share the video, and also hit that bell icon for regular updates. Enjoy the night walk and liveliness. Brigade Road, as mentioned, is paradise for shopping goers, be it a casual wear or formals. The Brigade Road has almost every outlet. Also, there are options for street shopping and street food as well. So, for the question that we had asked about the largest store of something which is present in Brigade Road, the answer is Samsung Opera House, Bangalore. This is the largest independent Samsung store, not just in India but around the globe. The store is more of an experience center. You can experience all the gadgets and offering by Samsung. Cherry on the cake is that you can do so by enjoying your favorite choice of hot beverage from Starbucks, as this store has an in-house Starbucks.
True. ऐसे देख पतला सा
That's all from this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If not already done, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are going to cover what all you can do in Bangalore, be it food or experience centers. Also, we are going to come up with the Thailand travel series, which includes do's and don'ts and how to plan, so stay tuned.